we have this one. I'm sensing karmic, so we have the trust in either way. We also have the open. We also got addict in either way. So I'm sensing na meron kayo dating broken connection. And I feel na darating tong tao na to sa iyong buhay if you're open to it, okay? Kasi lumabas siya una sa akin na naka-reverse tapos bilang nahulog ko accidentally naging upright, okay? So siguro pagpipilitan ng taong ito yung sarili niya sa inyo even if you're not really open to this connection that you have with this past person. Kasi nasira na yung trust doon. At yung ayaw mo rin sa kanya, baka meron din siyang addictions. And we also have the copy in either way. So you have this one here. Nako guys, so kayo maniniwala sa tao yun. Kasi until now, kahit ikaw di mo matansya kung nagsasabi pa siya ng totoo o hindi. Okay, ganun pa rin yung kanyang pag-ugali. I feel that this is also the reason why kung bakit ayaw mo na ng connection na yun. With a wow in reverse. So you have forgive here. So this person will come back to you and apologize for whatever he or she has done. We also have every day is Valentine's Day in either way. So, mangangako siya guys. Sasabihin niya every day is Valentine's Day. Pero pag tumagal na naman, wala na. Kaya siya in either way. Kasi sa umpisa na naman niya na okay. Tapos, nung mga nakalipas na araw, may ganun na naman yung connection niyo. Walang katapusang ganun. So, kasi somebody na hindi mo minamanifest or ayaw mo bumalik sa iyong buhay. So, sinasabi to ng Panginoon sa'yo kasi may potential siyang bumalik sa iyong buhay at pagpilitan yung sarili niya sa inyo. So, pinapakita sa iyo to ng Diyos kasi gusto niyang malaman mo na hindi siya nagbagong buhay. Ganun pa rin siya. Ganun ka pa rin niya tatratuhin. Walang pagbabago. Okay? Mga umpisa lang malambing, tapos mga paglumipas na babalik sa dati, okay? So, anyway, that's it guys with regards to your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight and awareness about your situation, and God bless all of you.